Bandra, the queen of the Bombay suburbs and one of my absolute favorite places. Now, there are some places in Bandra that everyone knows, like the bustling Linking Road, Carter Road with all its amazing eateries, and that gorgeous promenade right by the sea. Bandstand, which houses one of Bollywood's finest, Shah Rukh Khan, and Hill Road, which is like the major hub for street shopping. But these are places that everybody knows and that everybody visits. What about those that very few people know? So today, that's what I'm going to show you guys. My Bandra. The Bandra through the eyes of a Mumbaiker. One of my absolute favorite places to shop in Bandra is on 16th Road. This small street is lined by a number of boutiques and shops, but my favorite would have to be Mesh. This is such a cute little store where you get amazing clothes and accessories. The interiors are super quirky, which is why I love it, and the collection is ideal for summer. My next favorite store is opposite Smokehouse Delhi on Ambedkar Road, and that is Hues. This store is also quite tiny, but trust me, their collection of clothes is not. You get some amazing tops, dresses, and shorts over here. All you Sarojini Nagar fans who have been dying for a place like that in Bombay, this is the shop for you. Of course, it's not as cheap, but I'm sure you'll find something you love every single time you go there. Everybody works up an appetite after shopping, and my go-to place in Bandra for some lunch is Pali Village Cafe. The interiors of this cafe are super rustic and antique looking. The menu is also quite interesting and they use some extremely unique ingredients. And the food, oh my god, the food is to die for. Definitely try the watermelon and feta salad as well as the spinach fettuccine with roasted tomatoes. End your meal with a passion fruit panna cotta because I assure you it will leave a smile on your face. Bandra has a lot of bakeries, but my favorite is Le 15 Patisserie. This small shop has an extremely Parisian theme, but that's not the only thing that's French about it. The macaroons here are simply amazing. If you're in a French mood, then I definitely recommend the lavender and the rose macaroon. But if you're feeling desi, then do try the lemon chili one. The next restaurant on my list is on Baroda Road, and that is this cute little cafe called the Birdsong Cafe. What is unique about this cafe is that it is completely organic, not only in its food but also in its design. You do get some really good things to eat here, especially the loaded potato skins, but I personally love the drinks here, the hibiscus chia seed one being my favorite. Now, no trip to Bandra is complete without the opportunity to click some amazing pictures. And for that, I recommend you head to Chapel Road because it has the most amazing graffiti walls. Everywhere you look, you will find some sort of street art or the other. You can have a date with Zazu, stumble upon some really weird art, or simply stroll through the by lanes because honestly, you don't know what you'll discover next. Another thing I love about this area is the architecture. Now, in the pre-independence days, Bandra was actually a Portuguese colony. Now, there are a lot of people who say that Bandra looks and feels like Goa to them. And it is exactly because of this Portuguese influence that you feel that you might be in Goa. Speaking of Portuguese Bandra, my next stop is the Bandra Fort. This Portuguese castle and fort is situated at Land's End and it is beautiful. But my favorite part about the fort is not the fort itself, It in fact is the garden that's next to the fort. It's an extremely peaceful place to just sit and relax or take in the breathtaking view of the Bandra Worli ceiling. One of the most famous places of this garden is the amphitheatre area because it was in this place where the song Kabhi Kabhi Aditi from Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na was shot. The Bandra Fort is really an amazing place to spend your evening. Maybe click a few selfies and enjoy the sunset. So yeah, that was my Bandra guide. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you would like more Mumbai guides from me. And of course, do subscribe to my channel for weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. Bye!